Hello. We're excited to show you our native speech capabilities.
Where you can direct a voice, create realistic dialogue, and so much more. Edit these placeholders to get started.
Meeting someone new. Basic English conversation practice, A1 to A2. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Speak English Daily.
Hello, my friends. We are very happy to see you again.
Today, we have a very useful topic.
Yes, today we will practice meeting someone new in English.
This is very important in real life.
Yes, you can use this when you travel, at work, or at school.
Don't worry, we will use simple and easy English.
We will speak slowly and clearly.
Perfect for beginners.
Before we start,
Please like the video.
and subscribe to Speak English Daily.
All right, Lucy. Are you ready?
Yes, David, let's meet someone new.
Part 1. First meeting. Hi,
Hello,
my name is David. What is your name?
hi David, my name is Lucy.
Nice to meet you, Lucy.
Nice to meet you too, David.
How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm good too, thank you.
That's great.
This is a very common conversation.
Yes, very simple and very useful.
Practice. Let's practice together. Repeat after us.
My name is Lucy.
My name is David.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Very good.
Let's say it again. Slowly.
My name is Lucy.
My name is David.
Excellent.
Part 2. Asking basic questions. Lucy, where are you from?
I am from Brazil.
Oh, nice. I am from the United States.
That's interesting.
Yes, I like meeting people from different countries.
Me too.
Lucy, what do you do?
I am a teacher.
That's great.
What about you?
I am an English teacher too.
Oh, that's perfect.
Yes, we both teach English.
Practice.
Repeat after us. Where are you from?
I am from Brazil.
What do you do?
I am a teacher.
Very good.
Now your turn.
Answer this question.
Where are you from?
Say your answer out loud.
Good job.
Part 3. Talking about interests. Lucy, what do you like to do?
I like reading and listening to music.
Nice.
What about you?
I like watching movies and playing sports.
That's fun.
Yes, I enjoy it.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling.
Me too.
Traveling is very exciting.
Yes, and you can meet new people.
Like now.
Yes, like now.
Practice. Repeat after us. I like reading.
I like music.
I like traveling.
I like watching movies.
Excellent. Part 5. Keeping the conversation going.
Lucy, David, what do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I watch movies and relax.
That sounds nice.
What about you?
I read books and go for a walk.
That's very relaxing.
Yes, I like quiet time.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love coffee.
Me too. Coffee is the best.
Yes, coffee is very important.
Practice. Repeat after us.
In my free time,
I watch movies.
I read books.
I drink coffee.
Very good.
Part 5. Simple, real conversation.
Let's do a full conversation.
Yes. Listen and repeat. Hi. My name is David.
Hi, David. My name is Lucy.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm good too, thank you.
That's great.
This is a very common conversation.
Yes, very simple and very useful.
Final practice.
Let's repeat important sentences.
Listen and repeat.
My name is.
Nice to meet you.
Where are you from?
What do you do?
I like.
Excellent.
You are improving your English.
Outro. Great job today.
You learned how to meet someone new in English.
Now you can speak with more confidence.
Yes, practice every day.
Before you go,
Tell us in the comments.
what is your name? Where are you from?
Try to answer in English.
Don't forget to like the video.
And subscribe to Speak English Daily.
We will see you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. Keep practicing.